Okay guys, now I'm going to show you an example with the alphanumeric values again. Before I was doing it with the words 1 to 9. Now this is the alphanumeric values here, just with A to Z with a value next to each and compressed to its decimal parity. So 11 equals 2, 1 and 1 equals 2, 1 12, 1 and 2 equals 3, that sort of thing. Alright, now I've chosen northeast, southwest, the 4 directions, and I've got here number of letters NL and A and V meaning alphanumeric value. So you can see here for north the number of letters is 5, south 5, east 4, west 4. Now the alphanumeric values of north, I've got the values over each letter there. If you add them all up and compress it to single digit, you'll end up with 3, and south with 2, east with 9, and west with 4. Now you can see down here, if I add all the alphanumeric values of north, south, east, west, 3, 2, 9, 4. First of all, if I add north and south, I get 5, east and west, I get 4. Notice also that the 5 is the amount of numbers for both north and south, and 4 is the amount of numbers for both east and west. So very nice matches there. And if you add 5 and 4, all of them together, you get 9. Now over to the number of letters for each direction. I've got 5, 5, 4, 4. 5 and 5 is 10, which is 1. 4 and 4 is 8. And if I add them all together, 1 and 8 equals 9. Okay. And obviously if I add both the total of my A and V and the total of my number of letters, it's 9 plus 9, which equals 18, which 1 plus 8 equals 9. So another 9. Now on top of that, if you add the A and V and the A and L of each direction, so in this case 3 plus 5, I've got 8 for north, then I've got 4 for east, then I've got 8 for west, and then I've got 7 for south. If I add all those numbers together, 8, 8, 4 and 7, I end up with 27, which 2 and 7 equals 9. And then I could add all those 3 9s together and get 27, which equals 9 again. And on top of that, if I was to put this alphabet in a line and then sort of break it in half, if it was in a straight linear line, break it in half and fold it back on itself so that A is next to Z instead of, I've got A next to N here, which is not the same, but if I reverse this column upside down so that Z is with A and Y is with B and so on, you'd end up with A1 and Z8, 1 and 8 equals 9, B2, Y7, 2 and 7 equals 9, and they'd go all the way through, and each pair equaling 9. So there's a definite pattern there.